Cool.
It's your turn. Dude, look at all these spiders.
I'm gonna turn around.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
This is my 4th trip to Africa, and the 4th country I've visited there. I like this continent. It resonates somehow. I could live here. Maybe because I come from a big, wide open, wild place. And like Africa, it contains a lot of 4-legged critters that would be very happy to erase you from this plane of existence. So you better be on your toes. You better pay attention. But I don't mind. I like that level of engagement. I photograph a lot of trees. I like trees. Trees are cool. I'm in a remote corner of the Okavango Delta, a solid 6-hour drive to the nearest tiny village. Pretty remote by any standards. You can't go down to the corner store for a 6-pack, but you tend to see a lot of elephants. Elephants are so cool. I carry the M6 everywhere I go. It's not about making a portfolio. It's not about likes on social media. I'm not planning a book. I just photograph whatever I feel compelled to photograph. A visual diary, if you will. That's all I'm gonna say about that.
He's your boy.
He is my boy. That's why I'm back now.
This is a 9-week trip. It can get pretty grueling day after day. These are some of my co-workers. I love hanging with the local crew. They can teach you so much. and they keep you alive. I also photograph a lot of roads, everywhere I go. Roads are cool. I like roads. That is a termite mound. It's taller than a 2-story house, built by tiny little bugs. Pretty darn cool in my book. This is a herd of lechwe, a kind of aquatic antelope. Pretty darn cool.
Just point it right at me. Yep. Thank you, bud. It's your turn. Dude, look at all these spiders.
Yeah.
Here's the part from the beginning where I overturned the Mokoro.
I'm gonna turn around.
A Mokoro is an African canoe. I went exploring with my guide and tipped it over. Pretty embarrassing. All the cameras went underwater. I dried them out. I didn't count on what happened to the film, but I think it's pretty cool. Let's call it a happy accident. Happy because I didn't get eaten by a crocodile. Also happy because I like what happened to the film. Perfection is boring. You just can't beat an African sunrise or sunset. It's worth the 42 hours of one-way travel. Okay, my favorite image is coming up.
Loving it.
And here it is. Early in the morning, en route to work. The sun has barely risen and I took a slow shutter shot. Sometimes it all works. Like I said, perfection is boring. I love this photo. I recommend you go to Africa if you can. It's worth the effort. And if you can't make it that far, just drive around until you find some old road you've never been down. Park your rig and get out and walk it. Who knows what you might find?